So this is what your start menu look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 start menu look better. I'll show you how to install this start menu on your Windows 11. So let's dive into the video. Hello everyone, so today I got really amazing start menu style for Windows 11. To apply that start menu style, you have to install this software called Windhawk. All links are given in the description box or check pin comments. And one more thing, this customization is not going to affect your system performance at all. Make sure you have connected to the internet because it's required internet to complete the installation process. So I'll be right back after complete the installation process. Okay, Windhawk has been installed. Click on finish and then you'll see an interface like this. And now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. First we are going to install this Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and then click on install and then click on accept and install. Okay, Windows 11 taskbar styler has been installed. Now unzip this start menu styler folder and then open this folder and then open, and you will see this taskbar styler. Open and copy this complete script and then go to this advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 height and icon size. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, then go to open this folder again and open taskbar height and size and copy this complete script and then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install the start menu installer. Click on Windows 11 start menu installer details and then click on install and then click on accept, risk and install. And then open this folder again and open Windows 11 start menu installer, copy complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, then you will see a error like this. Just go to settings and turn on this disable new start menu layout and then click on save settings and it will be fixed. And this is it. This is how you can change your start menu style. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.